at me.
What's up, guys? Got another video here today. I bought a new tool for the arsenal of Dewalt stuff. So Dewalt, you can see this video sponsor me because I got everything Dewalt. But here's the box and specs real quick. Let's check these out. Or you can just look up the model number. Get the 60-volt battery. I already unboxed it, but I just unboxed it. You get down here is the blade tool to take and change the blade. You get this blade with it. This is a battery I already had. You get this badass new fast charger with a built-in fan. I mean, it's kind of loud, but I'll take it over the old one. And here you go, DeWalt. This is why you should sponsor me. Send me some stuff, because believe me, I have everything DeWalt. So, but yeah, so far seems pretty good. I cut a few 2x4s with it. Probably gonna get a different blade. Might run a Diablo blade, but not sure. But it's brushless. Feels good. Everybody hates that it's on the right side, but I prefer that. I don't know. Maybe I should have been left-handed, but I am right-handed, but I just like my circular saw blades on the right-hand side, so. And I picked this up at the pawn shop, brand new in the box. They wanted $240. I got it out the door for 180 bucks, brand new. Wasn't open, nothing, so you can't beat that for this unit. I don't know what it is in store, but I know it's a hell of a lot more than 180 bucks, so. If you like my channel, want to see me use it in the future, put some comments down below. You know, hit me up, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks again, guys.